Alrighty, this weekend marks the end of daylight saving time. That also means it's time to test those smoke alarms. So for more on that, I'm now joined by Sherry McKinney of the American Red Cross. Sherry, always a pleasure to have you here. We appreciate it.
Well, thank you so much once again, News 2, for having us on.
Of course. Why is it so important this time of year for people to check their smoke alarms?
Well, honestly, the Red Cross likes to remind folks that anytime we change our clocks is a great time to check your smoke alarms. So we encourage folks to do that at least twice a year and want better time to do it than test and turn time, right?
Yeah, it makes sense. And I know that you guys and your volunteers do such wonderful work responding to victims of house fires. What do those numbers look like this year?
Since January of this year, of 2021, we have responded to more than 1,900 home fires. It's our #1 disaster response across the state and across the nation, quite frankly. And of those 1,900, we've had about 2,000 some cases because cases are based on folks too. And so our folks have been really busy, and we'd like to see that number decrease for 2022.
And the smoke alarms is probably one of the most vital ways to do that and to decrease
That is
those
actually,
numbers.
yes, that is actually the #1 tip that we can give folks to protect their family from home fires, and that is to install a smoke alarm in each sleeping area and outside of each sleeping area, and make sure you test them at least twice a year. Make sure your kids know what it sounds like when a smoke alarm goes off. Have a plan to get out of the house and a spot where you're going to meet outside, and if you get out, don't go back in for anyone or anything.
My goodness.
And also, we'd like to remind folks that if someone does catch on fire, please teach your family to stop, drop, and roll. There's other tips that folks can find at redcross.org, and you know, fire prevention is so important to the American Red Cross. And if folks want to get a smoke alarm installed, all they have to do is go to that website, redcross.org, call 1-800-RED-CROSS, or call your local chapter, and we'll come out and install smoke detectors and give you an emergency plan for free.
Has that changed for you guys, that plan, throughout the pandemic?
It did, it did, but we're very excited. We are able now to go back into homes to do personal installations.
Wow. How often do you see where a smoke detector has made a significant difference?
Every time.
Every time? My goodness.
Every time.
Wow.
You know, when you have a working smoke detector, and the worst thing people can do is, you know, that chirp whenever the batteries go low. Don't just take that battery out and walk away. Make sure you have a replacement battery that's fully charged. Test that alarm after you put your battery in. The alarms that American Red Cross uses are actually 10-year alarms. That battery is guaranteed to last for 10 years.
And it's something I feel like it's so easy for you to forget to change it.
Yes, it is. And so please, every time the clocks either spring forward or fall back, let's test those smoke alarms and keep your family safe.
Some vital information, Sherry. Thank you so much for coming by.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us.
Of course. All right, folks, keep in mind you can always get more information about this when it comes to fire safety. Just go to WKRN.com to watch this entire segment. It'll be posted under the Watch tab after today.